We're here to say we are sorry.
If you're new to this channel, hi, we are MJ and Seven. We're a Filipino couple who left the Philippines and living here in Spain for over a year now.
We've been documenting our journey on this channel, hoping to inspire people. But in the process of sharing our story, we got a little bit too excited. We accidentally revealed a secret. We exposed the highly underrated, quietly perfect city of Oviedo.
And for that, we sincerely apologize.
You have to understand, we couldn't contain ourselves. What we are experiencing here, we've never experienced anything like it before. For some Europeans, this place is just normal.
But we're Filipinos, and from our perspective, this place is a miracle. From where we came from, this isn't just enough. It's everything.
Don't get us wrong, we are proudly from the Philippines. It's an archipelago of more than 7,000 islands. It is objectively one of the most beautiful places on earth.
We have the best beaches in the world.
Hitler massacred 3 million Jews. Now, there is 3 million, there's a 3 million drug addicts. There are. I'd be happy to slaughter them.
The former anti-fraud officer of the Philippine Health Insurance Corporation, or PhilHealth, says the agency's executives may have pocketed around 15 billion pesos through fraudulent schemes.
221.42 million pesos ang total na na-release o na-transfer na pondo sa OVP. 96.42 million pesos daw ang dinala sa financial assistance.
Since the Bulacan First District Engineering Office was exposed as the epicenter of the biggest corruption saga in recent history,
the gap between rich and poor is widening in Asia.
It almost feels like before the race even starts, the battle's already lost for the poor people.
And in the Philippines, one of the most unequal societies in Southeast Asia, inequality has turned to anger.
Hindi ko alam na meron palang... Oh my God! Oh my God! May nagpapulong! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God!
So I hope you'll forgive us for wanting to live here. And to the locals of Asturias, we are so sorry that we told the internet about your secret paradise. It won't happen again. From now on, our lips are sealed. We will absolutely not tell anyone that Oviedo is routinely ranked as one of the most safest and cleanest cities in Spain. We are done showing you the trails up to Monte Naranco. We will not talk about how you can go from drinking coffee in a historic plaza to hiking to a quiet and breathtaking mountain in less than 30 minutes.
We will completely stop talking about slow living. We won't mention that the pace of life here allows you to actually breathe, plan quietly, and exist without a constant state of panic.
And definitely won't bring up the healthcare. Even if the locals complain about a waitlist, we'll just nod and pretend we aren't secretly thrilled to be part of a system that actually catches you when you fall.
No, we are done spreading the good news. We have learned our lesson.
So if you're watching this and thinking of moving to Spain, do us a favor. Don't come to Asturias.
Yeah, absolutely don't come here. It rains a lot. It's terrible.
Move to the big cities. Madrid is fantastic. Barcelona has the Sagrada Familia. Go south where it's 40 degrees in the summer. You'll love it there. Leave the north alone.
We'll just stay right here in our quiet little hidden village in the leaves, surrounded by forests, mountains, and peace of mind.
Thanks for watching, guys. And if you hated this video, definitely don't subscribe to MJN7. Don't hit the like button, and absolutely do not leave a comment down below telling us where are you watching from.
We'll see you in the next video.
Hasta luego!
Yeah. Yan lang yung sabi ko. Ano ba yan? Kailangan seryoso. Shit.
Recording.
Okay. Kailangan seryoso tayo.
Serious.
Ang hirap maging seryoso.
Come on, guys. Don't come to Asturias.
Yeah. Don't come here.
Game.
Seryoso kasi. Ang hirap na mga Marte.
Serious.
Yeah. Hoy.
Serious na ako.
Dapat seryoso ka din.
Serious na ako.